In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix mic not working on BlueStacks 5. We will walk through a few quick checks in Windows, then restart BlueStacks so it can use your microphone correctly. First, press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Windows settings window right away. You should see several icons or categories like System, Network, and Internet, and others along the left side. If settings does not appear, try pressing Windows and I again, and make sure no other full-screen apps are blocking it. Once you see the settings window, we are ready for the next move. Now go to Privacy and Security, then choose Microphone. On most newer versions of Windows, Privacy and Security appears in the left sidebar with a small lock icon. When you click it, the right panel changes to show several privacy sections, and Microphone will be listed under App Permissions. Click Microphone, and a new page opens that controls which parts of Windows can listen to your mic. Here you will see toggles, short descriptions, and sometimes a short message saying some settings are managed by your organization. That message is normal on work or school devices and does not always block personal apps. Next, turn on microphone access. This main switch usually appears at the top of the microphone settings page. If it is off, Windows blocks all apps from using the microphone, including BlueStacks. Click the toggle so it slides to the right and shows the word on, and the background may change color. As soon as you enable it, Windows allows audio input again. There is no extra save button. A quick way to confirm it worked is that the text below the toggle no longer warns that microphone access is turned off for the device. If you ever share this computer, remember this is a system-wide setting, so it affects every user account. After that, turn on Let Desktop Apps access your microphone. Scroll down the same page until you see the section called Let Desktop Apps access your microphone. BlueStacks counts as a desktop app here, not a normal store app. Find the toggle and switch it to on so it lights up. Just below, you might see a list of desktop apps that have recently used the microphone, with a small note showing last accessed with a time. Later, when BlueStacks uses the mic correctly, it can appear in this list, which helps you confirm Windows actually sees audio from the emulator. Finally, restart BlueStacks. Close BlueStacks completely, not just minimize it, by exiting from the Window Close button or the system tray icon near the clock. Wait a couple of seconds, then open BlueStacks again from your desktop or start menu. Once it launches, go into any app that uses voice chat or microphone input and try speaking. If everything is set up correctly, the app should respond to your voice or show a mic level indicator moving. You have now fixed BlueStacks 5 not detecting your microphone by enabling the right Windows permissions and restarting the emulator. So if this helped your mic work again, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple BlueStacks fixes like this.